So look, like you can see, like I took them off originally. You might get lucky, but the glue's already going funny. I mean, you could retape them, but they're not bad like Logitech's, but they're not great either. 4 screws in this one. Standard screw, good to see. I love the rear shell on this, you can swap out for like a different hump. It's cool. Does need a better power cord, this one. It's quite stiff. So unfortunately they've put in 20 million ROMs in this, which is a bit sad. And then one Hawanu yellow, black shell yellow dot. And they've got a Hawanu, another one, black shell blue dot. So we've got 20, this is weird, got 20 million ROMs on the mains, Hawanu blue dot black shell scroll and a Hawanu yellow shell, yellow dot blue, Christ, a yellow, black shell, yellow dot for the main. For a DPI. Why have so many different switch combinations? That can't be like efficient, surely, for your business. I don't know. Makes no sense. Why would you have that many different types of switches? Like you can't get a good deal on them. I don't know. If it was me, I'd go all Hawanu. Right? It makes no sense. The little screw in the RGB and then this 4-pillar spike. You can tell this PCB is very similar to the MZ1. I mean, this was out before it, right? But you've got the same LED kind of configuration on it. You've got the same back plate that they have on the MZ1. This is pretty much the same PCB, I would say. Big DPI one. It's a standard JST connection. It's like a 2mm one. Cable's quite rigid, even though they're quite small gauge. That's why it's a little bit tough. And you always end up with this black one that's always dead thick. Must be something to do with the law for shielding or something. Okay, 36. Okay, proved me wrong there. 25 grams. I would say. Not bad then. Interesting protective foam on here this time. Same scroll wheel. Hate it. I hate this scroll wheel because of the split rubber. I'd like to say they found these like shorting out, but there's nothing for it to short out because it just sits straight onto the base. So I don't really know why they put these pads on it. Anyone know? Like, what's the point? Just tidy it up. Is there a reason? They've trimmed the pins, which annoys the hell out of me. That'd be the power button. I've seen crappy diffusers on it. I didn't realise I'm taking this apart yet. I love the colour of this mouse. This mouse is mint the colour. Interesting side button configuration, slightly different here. Oh, we have one of yellows in the sides. I've got the diffuser off, so I just have to see. That's what the shell looks like once it's done. Pretty well optimized. Put a bit around here we can chop out and understand what these are. We're holding this part of the chassis. That's pretty tidy, isn't it? Heavier than I thought, that shell. Alright, so this is what the base looks like, stock. Stripped down. Not much to it. The PCB off, then I need to show it and then measure it so you can see. It's an F switch brown encoder, if you wanted to know. I don't know what size it is, looks like a 8mm maybe, 9mm. I'd say it's a 9mm. Give or take, might be a 10. Tricky to measure it without being able to take it out. It's like a 1mm PCB, 0.8 normally. Yep.